In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print a report in Shopify's marketing section. Whether you're looking to keep a hard copy for offline reviews or just need something tangible for meetings, this guide will walk you through each step clearly and effortlessly. Let's get started, shall we? First, you'll want to open up your Shopify admin. So go ahead and navigate to your store's homepage on Shopify. If you're unfamiliar with how to do this, no worries. It's quite simple. Just log into Shopify with your store credentials, and you should see your store dashboard. This is your central hub for managing every aspect of your store, including marketing, products, and reports. Once you're there, take a look at the sidebar. You should see a variety of options related to your store operations. For this task, find and click on the Marketing tab. This area is where you can track all your marketing efforts and their results, providing valuable insights that can drive decisions and strategy adjustments. Now that you're in the Marketing section, you'll want to find the Attribution reports. The attribution reports offer insights into what marketing initiatives are driving traffic and sales. These insights are crucial for understanding which of your strategies deserve more investment and which might need a bit of tweaking. Within the marketing section, navigate to the Attribution option. It should be clearly labeled, but if you have trouble finding it, it's generally nestled among the reporting features Shopify offers. After clicking on Attribution, you'll be taken to the section where you can overview different marketing performance metrics. Here, look for the Print button. This option allows you to generate a physical copy of the report, perfect for offline perusal or sharing in strategy meetings with your team. It should be straightforward and located amongst other icons for managing your reports. Once you click Print, you'll see your report ready for printing. Ensure your printer is connected and ready to go. You may need to adjust some printer settings, for instance, selecting color, paper size, or number of copies to match your preferences and requirements. And there you have it. You've successfully printed your marketing report from Shopify. This process provides a physical snapshot of your marketing efforts and their effectiveness, which can be a valuable resource for planning and reporting. Remember to save digital copies as well to keep an organized record both online and offline. If you found this guide helpful, feel free to like and subscribe for more tutorials designed to simplify your Shopify experience. Thanks for watching and have a great day managing your store.